What if the thing that keeps bugs away from your home is already sitting in your kitchen right now? No sprays, no chemicals, and no weird devices plugged into the wall. Just a simple ingredient most people use every day, but almost never this way. Bugs are annoying, stressful, and sometimes downright gross. Ants in the kitchen, mosquitoes at night, flies near food, and roaches hiding where you don't want to see them. Many people rush to buy chemical sprays, traps, or expensive solutions that smell bad and don't always work. Garlic has been used for centuries, not just for cooking, but for protection. Its strong smell and natural compounds make it one of the simplest ways to keep bugs away without filling your home with chemicals. Today, we're breaking down garlic hacks that actually work and are easy enough for anyone to try. Let's start with why garlic works in the first place. Bugs rely heavily on smell to find food, people, and safe places to live. Garlic has a powerful odor that overwhelms their senses and makes areas feel unsafe to them. What smells tasty to us is unbearable to many insects. The first garlic hack is one of the easiest. Whole garlic cloves placed in problem areas can help keep bugs away. You can put them near windows, doors, kitchen corners, or pantry shelves. Ants and roaches especially dislike the smell and will often avoid these areas completely. This works best when the garlic is fresh. As it dries out, the smell weakens. Replacing the cloves every few days keeps the scent strong and effective. It's simple, cheap, and surprisingly powerful. The second hack uses crushed garlic. Crushing garlic releases even stronger compounds that bugs hate. You can crush a few cloves and place them in small open containers or shallow lids. Set them near sinks, trash cans, or anywhere bugs tend to show up. Think of this like turning the volume up on garlic's natural defense system. The stronger the smell, the more uncomfortable it is for insects. This method works especially well in kitchens and bathrooms. Hack number 3 is garlic water spray. This is one of the most popular natural bug repellents. You simply blend or crush garlic, mix it with water, strain it, and pour it into a spray bottle. You can spray this around door frames, windowsills, baseboards, and outdoor entry points. This spray is great because it reaches places cloves can't. It also works well for plants and gardens where bugs love to attack. Just remember, garlic spray smells strong at first, but the scent fades for humans while bugs still stay away. The fourth hack focuses on mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are attracted to body scent and carbon dioxide, but they hate garlic's sulfur compounds. Some people add garlic to their diet regularly during mosquito season. The smell comes through the skin slightly and makes you less appealing to bites. This doesn't mean garlic will make you mosquito-proof, but many people notice fewer bites. It's a small habit that can help, especially when combined with other methods. Plus, garlic has other health benefits too. Hack number 5 is garlic oil. Garlic-infused oil can be dabbed on cotton balls and placed near bug entry points. You can make this by soaking crushed garlic in oil for a short time. The oil holds the smell longer than raw garlic. This works well for closets, cabinets, and under sinks. Bugs often hide in dark, warm places, and garlic oil makes those spots uncomfortable for them. It's especially useful for roaches and spiders. Hack number 6 is garlic and vinegar. This combination creates an even stronger scent barrier. Mixing garlic with vinegar and water creates a powerful natural repellent spray. Vinegar alone already bothers bugs, and garlic makes it even more effective. This mixture works best for ants and flies. Spray it along ant trails, near trash areas, and around windows. It helps break the scent trails ants use to communicate, which stops them from coming back. Hack number 7 uses garlic outdoors. Bugs don't just stay inside, and keeping them away outside helps prevent them from coming in. Placing crushed garlic or garlic spray near patios, doorways, and outdoor seating areas can help reduce mosquitoes and flies. Some people even mix garlic spray into garden routines to protect plants without harming them when used properly. This makes it popular with people who want chemical-free gardens. Hack number 8 is garlic for pantry pests. Pantry bugs like moths, beetles, and ants love dry foods. Placing garlic cloves in pantry corners or near shelves can help keep them away. It's especially helpful if you've had pest problems before. This doesn't affect the food when garlic is kept separate. The smell alone does the work. Many people use this trick alongside airtight containers for extra protection. And now you're ready for number 9, garlic combined with other natural repellents. Garlic works even better when paired with ingredients like lemon, peppermint, or chili. These smells confuse and repel bugs even more. For example, garlic and lemon spray works well for flies, while garlic and peppermint is great for spiders. You don't need complicated recipes. Simple combinations go a long way. Here's the big insight most people miss. Garlic doesn't kill bugs, and that's why it works so well. Instead of poisoning them, it makes your space feel unsafe and uncomfortable, so they leave on their own. Bugs are less likely to adapt or come back because there's nothing attracting them. That's why this simple kitchen ingredient has been trusted for generations. So, let's quickly sum this up. Garlic repels bugs through smell, confuses their senses, and creates natural barriers inside and outside your home. You can use whole cloves, crushed garlic, sprays, oils, or simple combinations depending on the problem. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video so more people can see it. Subscribe for more simple health, home, and wellness tips that actually work. And now I want to ask you one question. Which bug problem do you deal with the most? Mosquitoes, ants, or something else?